Okay, we are back in the kitchen today because I want to show you how easy it is to make a really yummy roasted tomato salsa. Now, if you're anything like me, I like my food to have a sauce on it. I don't like dry food. I put sauce on a lot of things, and a lot of times it's ketchup. And if you ever read the bottle of a ketchup, there are a lot of ingredients in there you don't necessarily want to eat. So stick around because I'm going to teach you how to make my favorite roasted tomato salsa. Salsa is great. You can put it on anything. Remember in a previous video I showed you how to easily spatchcock a chicken. You get really, really nice, juicy, moist chicken every single time, and it's super easy. Well, I like to take this roasted tomato salsa and I like to pour that over the chicken when I serve it, and it's so delicious. First, you're going to need some ingredients. Now, the full recipe's on my website, CaptainHousekeeper.com, so be sure to check it out. I have a printable version of the shopping list and the recipe there. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need some tomatoes, and you're going to need some green onions. Get the kind that are kind of big at the end, because we're going to roast these also, so you need a large surface to put on the griddle. You're going to need some fresh cilantro, and you're going to need about 6 cloves of garlic, so make sure you get a full head so you have plenty. And you're going to need some limes. I love limes. And you're going to need some of these dried red chili peppers. In Spanish they're called Chile de Arbol. Sometimes the label doesn't even say red chili, it'll only say it in Spanish. But this is what they look like. See that? Don't try to eat one unless you're used to it because they are kind of hot. But we're going to roast those also later on. You're also going to need salt or pepper or even cumin if you'd like. I don't like cumin personally, so I never put it in. But if you want to put a pinch in, that's totally up to you. Okay, let's get started.